A simple business tip from Peter Ho. Everyone who goes into business is to make money. There are three elements of business: customer, product, cash. If any of these three elements is missing, there is no business. The customer wants the product to satisfy a want or need, to be happy. The seller wants cash. Business is the exchange of product and cash between the seller, the business, and the buyer, the customer. When this happens, the buyer and the seller are happy. Therefore, the goal of the business is to make the customer happy. The goal of the seller, however, is to make money. When he makes money, cash, he is happy. Business, like marriage, is sustainable when both parties, the buyer and seller, are happy. Business is the movement of product and cash between the business and the customer. When the product comes in and cash goes out, it's a buy. When the product goes out and the cash comes in, it's a sell. These are the only two essential activities in business: buying and selling. Without these two activities, there is no business. Product and cash must always move in opposite directions. Problems arise when product and cash move in the same direction. Business management is managing these movements. Sale, product moves out from the business to the customer. Cash moves in to the business from the customer. Buy, product moves out from the supplier to the customer. And cash moves in to the supplier from the business. Business is simple. It's just the movement of product and cash. Business is complete when both parties are happy. Another business tip from Learn Accounting Fast.